Hey everyone, today I will show you how to appear offline on WhatsApp, and here's how it is done. Start by opening the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android device. Next, access the settings menu by tapping the gear icon in the bottom right corner on iPhone or the three dots on the top right corner on Android. Next, select the privacy option which has a lock icon. On the privacy page, we will adjust three key settings to ensure you appear offline. 1. Last seen and online. Open this option and set it to nobody. This way, no one will be able to see your last seen status or know if you are online. 2. Status. Go back to the privacy menu and select status. By default, it may be set to share with your contacts. Change this to only share with, and then either leave the list empty if the option is available or select just one contact. This will prevent most people from seeing your status updates. 3. Read receipts. Lastly, scroll down in the privacy menu to find the read receipts option. Turn it off. Keep in mind that disabling read receipts means you won't be able to see if others have read your messages, and they won't see if you have read theirs. Note that read receipts for groups chats are always sent, so this setting only applies to individual chats. By following these three steps, you will successfully appear offline on WhatsApp even when you are active. And that is everything you need to know about how to appear offline on WhatsApp. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.